Good morning, children. I hope all of you are keeping well. Today, we will learn about how does a computer work. Today, you will learn following contents: introduction, advantages of the computer, limitations of the computer, data input, IPO model. Computer. You know, computer is an electronic machine. Why is it called so? Because it gets energy from electricity for working. It is also called a smart machine. Smart in the sense it does the calculations in a faster rate. It is a modern invention. You know, computers are used in most places. You can see computers are used in schools, colleges, homes, hospitals, etc. Nowadays, without computer, you can't manage anything. Almost every places, people are using computer. Why computers are used in most places? Because number one, computers are very fast. You know, within a fraction of second, it completes the work. You can complete your work very fast with the help of your computer. Number two, it is accurate. It never do the mistake. Always it gives correct answer. Number three, it is safe to work with it. You can safely work on a computer. Yes, it is user friendly. Mainly because of these three reasons, computers are used in most places. Do you know that a computer cannot think on its own? Why? Because computer cannot think and cannot take decision as we humans do. If computer wants to work, we need to give the input. That is considered as a data input. Data input means numbers, letters, commands that we need to give to the computer. After receiving the input, computers work on it. So, data input means we are giving instruction to the computers in the form of numbers, letters, commands, etc. I hope you understood what is data input. Now, let us learn IPO model. Do you know how computer works? Computer works in the IPO model. That means input, process, output model. You know, computer works step by step. They are input, processing, output. These steps are known as IPO model. Before learning how input, process, output support to the computer for working, we should see the daily life examples of input, process, output. Here I am showing two examples. The first examples of IPO in our daily life is making the toy. Here you can see three boxes having clay, that is input. The child is playing with that clay. That means he is preparing something with that clay. That is called process. You can see here he made three toys with that clay. That is output. The second examples of IPO in our daily life is making the mango shake. Ingredients are mango pulp, sugar, and milk. These are known as input. These ingredients are getting blended in a mixer grinder. This is known as process. After blending, we get mango shake. Here, mango shake is output. Now, we have seen IPO model from our daily life. I hope you understood. Do you know where does the term computer come from? The term computer comes from the word compute. That means to calculate. So, computer is mainly used for calculation. Children, I have given two activities for you to do. Activity 1. Write the names of the pots in the given boxes. Page number 1. Activity 2. Complete the table. Page number 7. Thank you.